ako ng veggies. Broccoli at saka cauliflower for kuya and ay! Nahulog. Baby girl is playing and watching Teacher Rachel. Papa is preparing here his coffee. He's using this Vietnamese anong tawag nito? Itong dripper yata tawag nito. Vietnamese coffee dripper. Good morning guys! Today is gym day. Hatid ka namin si Yuri sa school and then mag-gym kami ni Dimitri. Let's go! Si Mia nandun sa kubo, iniwan ko kay mama. Yung kapatid ko uuwi na sa Bohol ngayong Sabado, kaya sulitin na namin tong pag may iwan kay Mia. Kasi silang mama din ay malapit nang umuwi kasi malapit na matapos nila papagawin tong aming bakod. So malapit na silang umuwi. Yung kapatid ko tsaka yung pamangkin ko, mauna na sila sa Bohol ngayong Sabado, uuwi na sila. So wala na, kami na lang ulit dito. Wala na akong maiiwanan kay Mia. Si Ate Abloy na lang paminsan-minsan. What a chill road, ha? Ang sarap mag-travel pag ganyan. Ang sarap mag-drive pag ganyan. Walang traffic. Hindi gagaya sa big city na sobrang traffic. Especially at this hour. Rush hour. School and work day. Sobrang traffic dun sa syudad. Pero dito sa amin, ayan oh. This is going to Yuri School. This is one of the perks of living in the province. Ayan. Hindi kagaya sa syudad. Ano pa lang, umaga, masisira na ang mood mo sa sobrang traffic. Araw-araw ay nagtataka ang puso kong ito. O bakit ba ang kilos ko'y nababago at abot-abot ka pa? Di makatulog sa gabi sa kaiisip. Sa diwa ko ikaw ang aking panaginip. O bakit ba ikaw ang siyang laging laman ng isip ko? Sa bawat sandali ay nais kang makita. Kapag tumitig na sa akin ay ligaya. That's my free music, background music. I don't have to spend for background music. Okay, Kuya, have fun in school and enjoy. And be patient. Wait for your turn. Okay? See you later. Bye-bye. Love you. See you later. PE nila today. Sing a Russian song. Come here, Russian. Sing a Russian song.
I know Russian song.
You know this Anaconda, right?
No.
You even sing this with Max. Sige na.
No, I
Why am I speaking English? This is a Tagalog channel. Kaya magkape lang kami guys dito ulit sa may soft cafe. The soft serve dito sa may Dawin. Hintayin lang din namin si Yuri na matapos ang kanyang klase. And pick up namin siya. Order kami ng Vietnamese coffee. Yummy. Smoothie, but fruit smoothie. This doesn't fit here. And Vietnamese coffee. Latte.
Sweet sugar.
Pumpkin seed.
No, this. Thank you.
Spray the fence, Mama.
How was your
Mama, I have to
school?
spray the fence.
The bamboo fence. Don't spray our new fence. The
Yeah.
bamboo fence you can spray at the back, not in front of the house. Do not spray that on our house. You like your toy? Your new toy?
Yeah. Thanks. Now I'm rich.
Now you're rich. Thanks. Now I'm rich. Why are you rich? Because it's a pizza shop. You're gonna open a pizza shop.
Yeah, I'm rich now.
Because it's a good business.
It's a good business. Pizza business. How was your school today?
Good.
Good. You enjoyed? Okay, uuwi na kami. Naghihintay na ang ating baby girl doon.
What?
Lunchtime na. Lunchtime! Yan ang lunch namin. Ground beef, fried rice, some cucumbers, and tomatoes. Yummy, yummy. With our beautiful view. With our beautiful surroundings. That's really beautiful. Nagnanap ang baby girl. Such a cute girl. Magandang hapon everyone. Nandito kami sa Boulevard ng Dumaguete. Ayan si baby Mia.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, pickleball.
Pickleball. Jogging sports. Mia. Mia. Si Mia parang si Masha. Masha in Midvet. Masha and bear. Kuya is the bear. Mia. You look like Masha with your hat. Murekao na. Picnic time! Nagdala kami ng mga McDo. Nag-drive-thru kami ng McDonald's. After gym, nag-McDonald's. Perfect! Perfect na perfect yung diet ko. Ayun sila. Si Yuri, nagdala ng kanyang bike. Ayun, nag-bike si Yuri doon. Tsaka si baby Mia at si papa niya. Naglakad-lakad sila dyan. Kao na mo. Hi! Enjoy si Mia, oh. Hindi nga siya umiiyak. Hindi siya umiyak. Na-enjoy niya talagang lakad-lakad nila ng kanyang papa dyan. Hi! Pretty girl! Bye-bye, Masha! Go walk more. Dance! Dance na! Kuya is having so much fun with his bike. Si Mia, nag-zumba si Mia. Nag-join siya sa zumba. You like the zumba, baby sis? The zumba dance? Nakalakad na siya ng 3 steps dito sa Boulevard. Naglakad siya ng 3 steps dito na siya lang. Kulang lang pala si Mia sa practice dito sa malaking area. Gala-gala ang baby girl. Pasyal-pasyal. Careful. Bidyuhan ang mga main character. Ang balon! Oh no, somebody found a balloon. Somebody saw a balloon. Somebody wants a balloon.
Just pointing.
Oh no.
First here.
Oh, she just like watching it.
The longer she doesn't know, then better.
Let's not spoil her with toys. Alam, magpalit tayo. Want ice cream, kuya? Flavor. Obe na uso kuya.
Kobe, mangga, vanilla.
He wants
Palit
cotton
tag ice
candy.
cream. What's that flavor? What's the flavor?
Tastes like everything.
It tastes like everything? It's vanilla. Mine is mixed. Pila ta? 40. Can you pay 40 pesos? 20 pesos each. Masarap tong ice cream dito sa Boulevard. Obe, mangga, vanilla. Favorite ko ang obe at saka mangga. Bili na mga souvenirs yung kapatid ko. Kasi uuwi na siya ng Bohol. Uwi na sila ng Bohol. What? What do you want? Ice cream? No, not allowed. It's too sweet for you.
Only the cone.
Water for you. Water.
Only the cone, Mama.
Only the cone? Just try a little bit. Wow. Yeah. So happy. More. A little bit more.
This is so wonderful.
Ooh, so yummy. Good morning everyone. Maaga si Baby Mia na nakinig at nanood sa chime namin. Bagong bili ko na chime kahapon, nabili ko sa Unitap. May na dito, additional na sound na nakaka-relax dito sa aming bahay. Ngayong umaga ay napakalakas ng hangin, guys. At parang hindi nga kita yung dagat. Apo Island ngayon hindi na namin kita kasi sobrang parang umuulan doon. Mahangin at kinda gloomy.
Marshall meditating.
Gustong gusto ni Marshall pag ganito ang weather. Mahangin, malamig. Kasi perfect para sa kanya ang ganitong weather. Hindi siya nainitan, hindi din siya giniginaw.
Para kay chill.
Perfect. Ayan, nakapag-poste na sila Papa dyan sa malapit sa aming kapitbahay. Ngayong araw, mag-i-install na sila nitong hog wire. Ayan, ready na nila yung hog. Hi, pilot boy! No need that one. You already have a hat. Okay guys, today is Kuya Yuri's career day at school. So, hatid namin siya sa school and magpaparade sila ng 7:30 kaya maaga kami. And of course, kasama ang baby sis. Si Papa si Papa CR pa kung kailan kami aalis na. Ganyan si Dimitri. Kung kailan alisan time na, dun pa siya magsi-CR. Kaninong asawa ang ganyan din?
What's the wet one?
Hmm?
The wet one.
Wet wipes in my bag. Wow, Kuya, are you excited for your career day? Yeah?
What's that?
Ano daw si Yuri, guys? Jet fighter pilot. Ayan. Nilagyan ko siya ng Philippine flag and hukbong himpapawid logo. Tapos yung hat niya pang pang winter. Nakita ko lang yan sa TikTok. Nag-order ako sa TikTok. Buti na lang dumating on time. Wow. Mahangin pa din dito. Ang lakas pa din ng hangin dito. Ay, mga ilang araw nang mahangin dito sa amin. Ayan, ang cute-cute ng mga bata. Ang cute ni Kuya Yuri sa kanyang costume kahit ayoko sa kanyang career, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, Kuya, wag ka na lang mag-jet fighter pilot kasi nakakatakot. Mag-ano ka na lang, mag-commercial pilot ka na lang para isakay mo kami ni Papa at baby sis. Kung magta-travel tayo, ikaw yung pilot namin. Tired? Are you tired? Tulog ang bata. Ang bata na babaeng bata ay natutulog. Ayan. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang pagtulog. Nagising na ang bata. Careful with baby sis. Magandang hapon, guys. Merong i-install sila Dimitri na water filter. Ito, water filter dito sa amin. Dito, malapit sa aming tangke. Yan, nag-install sila. With our electrician. Electrician / plumber. Meron na dyang booster at ano tawag dyan? Filter, water filter. Yan ang tangke namin. And what's that? That's the booster? Booster pump. And dito ang filter.
So, water
Huh?
from tank here.
From tank going to the filter.
And here is municipality water.
Municipal water here, a different line.
Yeah, but it's all in one. Goes in one. So, if we don't have water from municipality, it's all from tank. You don't-
So filter only from tank?
No,
For all? For all.
it's for all.
Okay, nice.
But we will have for a case bypass straight. Like if something here happen, filter go dirty or
Papa.
no water in tank. We can always turn on straight water from the municipality.
Yes! Papa, Mama! Kuya! Papa, Mama! Kuya! Baby!
He always right now.
Marshall! Baka! Sabi niya maglalagay daw kami ng hamak dyan or duyan. Exercise. Hala. I don't know how to go back. This is duhat. Ang laki ng puno ng duhat namin. Pero wala pang bunga. Mia also want that. Mia wants to try. No, baby, that's too big, too dangerous, too high.
Like that. there. She found nice place to practice on the concrete. Хорошее место Мия нашла попрактиковать.
Now come here to mama, kadali. Wow! Oopsie! Oopsie! Push, Ani, push. Yay! Nakakalakad na ang bata, mag-isa siya lang. Mga ilang steps na yon. Wow! Good job! Good job! Whoa! So fast! Not fast! Not too fast! Up. Look at baby sis. She can walk now. Look at you! Look at her! Look at her! She can walk now! Wow! She just suddenly decided to walk longer today. But so many toys on the floor. We have to clean up now, or she gonna fall down with this. Wow, there is our, ayan ang aming water filtration system. With, ayan ang booster. Ito ang filtration system.